Okay, we got a 2004 Cayenne twin turbo that the fan motor went out. Of course, it's below freezing for the first time in Indiana. Yay, Indiana. So I got a fan blower, and just kind of looking at the number of, before I get started with this new motor, I was just looking to see how many points I got to unattach it. And when you have the new part in hand, you can kind of look. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5, 6, 7. Looks like there's 7 screws. And of course, Porsche in their infinite wisdom, they used a screw that I don't have, or excuse me, a socket head, and it's 5.5. So I got to go to Advance Auto. I bought something that I bought glue and opened the box, and there was no glue in it. And I threw away the receipt, so we'll see how that goes. Hopefully they give me another package of glue, or I've kind of hosed myself. Shouldn't have thrown away the receipt, but I mean, come on. You buy something, I guess, crazy me, I expected it to be in the box, and it's one of that new glue where you put the compound with it. It's kind of like a metal compound you put down, and you put the super glue or whatever the glue is on top of it. It makes a really strong repair on plastics and so forth, and then you can sand it and so forth. But it said it was supposed to come with 2, I think it was 32 ounce or whatever ounce, I forget, 16 ounce, whatever it is, glue. And long story short, and had no glue, and I'm like, well, that's weird. So I got to go get a 5.5, or I've heard a 7/32 would work as well. I might as well try to get a tool that I don't have. And this is the brand I bought. I heard it's pretty good. I bought it on Amazon. I forget, 50 bucks. So hopefully that's okay. And yes, I got to remove the damn glove box again. And I'm really reluctant to do it. I've already taken it apart to fix the latch, then the shocks, and then I think the latch or something, or shock, and then the shocks again to the final repair. So I just hate that I have to do this again. If I'd have known that ahead of time, I probably would have just replaced the fan. Lord. And now it's cold outside. So I'll probably be heating up my garage today too, inside. Put the heater on and get some heat in there before I start. It's 40 degrees. Anyway, thanks. I mean, the garage right now is 40, and I want it a little bit warmer. Maybe 60 would be nice. See you soon. All right, I didn't do the video on how to take it apart because I've done that before, and you could look through my other videos. I checked. There is a little bit of gap in here. I'm hoping this is what the problem of it is, but I mean, it spins. And also when I took it apart, there is one bolt that is the most bare, and it's that one there. I might think I should have, let me turn the light on. There is a wire tie up here that I probably should have removed instead of spending, I don't know, 15 minutes trying to get that one bolt out. Besides that, everything looks pretty good. And then this one here, I had troubles getting it apart last time, and I thought you pushed a button in, but literally this is why every button's different, I don't know. But this one, if you notice, there's a notch there. Let me go to the glove box. And if you look, let's see here. Where's it? Oh, yeah, here. You just basically pull that back and then pull out. So you don't push in. So idiot me, I couldn't get it out last time. There's my shocks that I had worked on. The one side that I did the JB weld, it's holding very well. And this one I decided just to see the difference. It's still on, but it's just a little loose. I think I'm gonna go ahead and JB weld that one too while I've got it all apart. So I'm gonna take a lunch break and then put this puppy back in and cut that wire tie. That maybe make my job a little easier.